Maybe I need some rehab, or maybe just need some sleep. I got a sick obsession.
Alright, we're about to do the, what is it called?
Sneezing challenge.
Sneezing challenge. Who made up the sneezing challenge?
I don't know. You didn't even give me that much pepper, but who cares? Yeah, it's okay.
Are you what? Okay, who's going first?
All of us want to say
Okay.
all of us. Wait,
I'm gonna do it later.
I wonder if this black pepper's
Yeah,
gonna work.
Kevin's gonna do it
Later. Ready?
Okay, just raise up your hand when you're about to sneeze, because I can't zoom in on all of you.
I'm ready.
Ready? Sneeze already?
Alright, you guys ready?
How much I have? Ready? Ready?
Okay, go.
Wait.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Sniff. Sniff. Sniff like it's cocaine.
Shut up, Kevin!
Come on.
I'm crying, that's it!
My nose burns!
It's not working.
Come on, Cisco.
It just stings. Ah!
I didn't even see you. Okay, you know what? Okay, somebody film me. I'm gonna try it.
No, Regine! Regine's going! No,
Kevin!
Move back, Kevin, sit! Sit, Kevin, sit!
Okay.
I need a new
have some
Kleenex.
Do you already stick it in your nose and then give it back?
No.
Okay.
Can I get a new one?
Oh god, that's gross.
I need more pepper. I'm gonna
Oh! I can't! Oh! Oh!
down, Kevin, sit!
Oh! It's like the cinnamon gel from a nostril. Oh god!
I need a new one.
Screw this.
Just
Oh, I quit.
Oh,
Oh, I quit.
oh, it burns!
You said that so many times already, Kevin. I'm switching
need
ends.
more.
I'm gonna lick it.
Where's the pepper?
Wait. Wait.
Kevin! Kevin, you're filming this horribly. He's filming this horribly.
Yo, Kevin, you have to start over.
Wait. Okay, no, I lost it.
There's water.
I need to blow my nose.